What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And this is the first one I'm seeing out here. Bonus video for you guys today. This is one of the very first one of these cars that I have seen out here, and I wanted to show it with you guys today. Very short video, but I think you should check this out. We have a Toyota Supra here, and it's a 2021, brand new. It's got that really nice blue color that pops and looks great from this side, but as you get over here, you can see coolers and other stuff are laying on the ground, crash bar smashed in. I don't know how extensive that damage is. Maybe it's not that bad, but that hood is done. This car took a really nasty hit. But this is I'm not saying it's the first one that's been to Copart. It's the first one I have seen at Copart, and that's the difference. Oh, it's a GR, whatever that is. Let me know in the comments. I know nothing about the Supra like this. I test drove one. We were looking at buying one a while back, and then I ended up getting a Challenger Scat Pack instead. Ain't that a bitch? So look at that, though. That thing is clean, man. Super friggin' clean. Well, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this one. Like I said, this was just a bonus video. I wanted you guys to see it. Like I said, it's the first one I've seen like this out here. Totally different. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. But the interior looks crazy. Like I said, definitely a different type of vehicle for sure. Definitely clean. Definitely clean. What do you guys think about the Supra? Awesome car, not an awesome car? Let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty cool. I like the color though. I like the body lines on it too. And I know it's just a BMW. That's why I'm really tripping about everything being smashed and broken like that, because BMWs can get crazy expensive when it comes to stuff like that. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about that Toyota Supra. A little quick bonus video for you guys today. I think I'm gonna publish little bonus videos for you guys in the morning and the regular videos in the evening. If you guys like that kind of schedule, let me know in the comments. But what do you guys think about that Toyota Supra? I thought it was super cool. But anyways, till next time, I'll see you guys on the next one.